I already know better. 24K, got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter and I got me, I'm good. I'm head over shoes on hardwood. For me, you know I wrote the book.
All right, today we're at the Maryland Seafood Festival, and we are going to have all kinds of seafood. Lobster rolls, crabs. We're going to give you a tour of this place, show you Sandy Point State Park. It's going to be a great day, right?
Absolutely.
You can see the Seafood Festival. They got vendors here from food to paddle boards and her. This is Sandy Point State Park. It's just beautiful here. And I don't know if you can see over here, but right about there is the Bay Bridge. We are hoping within a week to be cruising underneath that bridge, so make sure you stay tuned for that.
So today I'm enjoying the view, the beach, the water, almost as much as I'm going to enjoy the food here. Please remember to like and subscribe.
And let's get right into it, and don't miss the lobster rolls.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Maryland Seafood Festival. Complete tour coming up. Vendors, food, crafts, all kinds of stuff here at the Maryland Seafood Festival in Annapolis, Maryland. Is anybody thirsty? Where's all my Miller High Life fans? This festival just has everything, more than just seafood, for sure. Yes, Mason's Lobster Rolls are right here, and they're making them fresh. All right, my wife got the Mason Lobster Roll. How is it?
Amazing.
Amazing again. All right, here we are, going to get our crabs. Fresh steamed crabs at this seafood festival. I've been waiting all year for these. Finally gonna get them. And did I tell you I've been looking forward to this all day? Steamed crabs. We're gonna take them back to the VIP place and chow down. Where are you guys from? Okay. It's been hard to get crabs. It's like every place I go is like, yeah, you didn't order them, you're not getting them. They said there's no pickers or something. And if you could smell these right now, you'd be going crazy. All right, we went to Jimmy's to pick up our crabs. We're back at the VIP lounge where you get free wine, beer, drinks. It's definitely worth the VIP price for sure. Go. My wife's little trick when you're eating potatoes and crabs. Bam. Butter Old Bay. Heavenly, she said. Check out this place. Crab pretzel, fried shrimp, crab cakes, alligator bites, fish and chips, fried oysters. Anybody hungry? There's Jimmy's Seafood where you get your steamed crabs. This park is beautiful. Sandy Point State Park. This Sandy Point State Park is just beautiful. You got the Bay Bridge in the background. Bars right on the beach. You gotta get something sweet. Peanut butter whoopie pie. Yum.
After midnight, out in the starlight, jealous friends make me.
Check out this Maryland painted van. It's a classic. There's a new one. Solar powered beer. Fresh shucked oysters.
Just gonna eat them here?
Alright, Maryland Seafood Festival, raw oysters. My wife is going to try her very first one.
No, I'm not. And the microphone's the wrong way. I didn't know you were gonna be talking. And your hair's all messed up.
Yeah, that was like worth the wait. You can see they got some kind of kayak races here.
All the way to the beach, you got it! Great work, way to fight those conditions. Nice job.
These people have been paddling for 42 minutes.
Nice job! Way to paddle. Great racing.
Bay Bridge, Maryland. All right, we're pretty close to wrapping our day up here, and we finished it up with a bowl of lobster bisque and mini donuts with vanilla glaze.
Really good. Light and airy, sweet.
Light, airy, and sweet. All right, we are just finishing our day up here at the Annapolis Seafood Festival in Sandy Point State Park. It was absolutely beautiful. We had lobster rolls, lobster bisque, what else?
Oh my gosh.
Steamed crabs, mini donuts. The food was amazing. When you get to Annapolis, check out to see when this is. We're here in September and it was just perfect weather. You can see the beach behind us here at Sandy Point. Fabulous time. Make sure you check it out. And thanks for subscribing. And we'll see you hopefully on a cruise the next time. Anything else?
Did you say the lobster rolls? The lobster rolls.
Eat the lobster rolls, I guess.
Out, I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door.